Imagine spending $80,000 on a brand new truck only to watch the engine fail before it even reaches 50,000 miles. For many drivers, that sounds impossible. Modern vehicles are marketed as the most advanced machines ever built. They offer more technology, more power, better fuel economy, and higher safety ratings than any generation before them. Yet behind the marketing promises and glossy advertisements, a growing number of owners are facing a frustrating reality. Modern engines are experiencing serious reliability problems, and the issue appears to be affecting some of the biggest manufacturers in the world. Over the last several years, automakers such as General Motors, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, and Kia have all dealt with engine-related recalls, investigations, warranty claims, and customer complaints. Some vehicles have suffered complete engine failures with surprisingly low mileage. Others have experienced bearing damage, oil consumption problems, loss of power, or internal component failures that require entire engine replacements. Individually, each case may seem like an isolated problem. Together, they raise an important question. Why are some modern engines struggling to achieve the durability that older engines seem to deliver with ease? The answer is far more complicated than most people realize. This is not simply the story of one defective engine design or one manufacturer making mistakes. Instead, it is the result of a major shift in automotive engineering that has been taking place for decades. Modern engines are being asked to accomplish something that previous generations never had to achieve. They must deliver more power, better fuel economy, lower emissions, quieter operation, improved performance, and reduced weight all at the same time. While engineers have achieved incredible results, every improvement has come with compromises, and those compromises are beginning to reveal themselves. To understand how we reached this point, it helps to look back at the engines that built the reputation for reliability many manufacturers once enjoyed. 20 or 30 years ago, most vehicles relied on relatively simple engine designs. Large, naturally aspirated V6 and V8 engines were common. They produced respectable horsepower, but they were rarely pushed anywhere near their mechanical limits. Components were often overbuilt. Internal stresses were lower. Cooling systems had more room for error. Lubrication systems operated with thicker oils and larger safety margins. These engines were not perfect, but they were remarkably durable. Owners routinely drove those vehicles well beyond 200,000 miles. Some reached 300,000 miles or more with little more than regular maintenance. Mechanics frequently describe those older engines as forgiving. Miss an oil change and the engine might still survive. Drive in extreme conditions and the engine could often tolerate the abuse. The designs were simpler, heavier, and less efficient, but they provided a level of durability that earned the trust of millions of drivers. Today's engines are built under a completely different philosophy. Manufacturers are no longer focused solely on durability. They must balance durability with efficiency, emissions compliance, performance, cost, weight reduction, and consumer expectations. Buyers want sports car acceleration from family SUVs. They want trucks that can tow heavy loads while still achieving respectable fuel economy. Governments demand lower emissions and stricter environmental standards. Meeting all of these requirements simultaneously has forced automakers to rethink how engines are designed. One of the most significant changes has been downsizing. Instead of relying on large engines to generate power naturally, manufacturers increasingly use smaller engines equipped with turbochargers. A modern turbocharged V6 can produce power numbers that were once associated with large V8 engines. On paper, this appears to be a remarkable achievement. Smaller engines consume less fuel and generate fewer emissions while maintaining strong performance. However, producing that level of power from a smaller engine requires significantly higher internal pressures and temperatures. Every time the driver presses the accelerator, modern engines experience stresses that would have been unusual in many older designs. Combustion pressures have increased dramatically. Turbochargers force additional air into the engine, creating more power but also placing greater demands on pistons, connecting rods, bearings, and crankshafts. Components must withstand enormous forces repeatedly throughout the life of the vehicle. Even small weaknesses can eventually develop into major problems. Another major change involves lubrication. Engine oil has always played a critical role in protecting moving components from wear. In the past, thicker thicker oils were common. Today, manufacturers increasingly rely on extremely thin oils designed to reduce friction and improve fuel economy. These oils help manufacturers achieve efficiency targets, but they also require incredible precision. Modern engines operate with much tighter tolerances than older engines. There is less room for contamination, less room for wear, and less room for mistakes. This means even minor issues can have serious consequences. A small amount of debris inside an oil passage, a brief interruption in oil flow, or a tiny manufacturing imperfection may create wear that gradually worsens over time. Older engines often had enough margin to tolerate such problems. Modern engines frequently do not. They depend on every component functioning exactly as intended. Many mechanics and engine builders believe contamination may play a larger role than most consumers realize. During manufacturing, engine blocks, cylinder heads, crankshafts, and other components undergo extensive machining. These processes create microscopic metal particles that must be removed before assembly. Manufacturers employ sophisticated cleaning procedures, but achieving perfection across hundreds of thousands of engines is extremely difficult. Even tiny particles can become problematic when combined with high pressures, thin oils, and tight tolerances. Turbochargers create additional challenges. These devices spin at extraordinary speeds while operating under intense heat. They rely entirely on clean, properly supplied oil. If lubrication becomes compromised, turbocharger bearings can wear rapidly. In severe cases, failures inside the turbocharger may send metal fragments throughout the lubrication system, potentially damaging other engine components. What begins as a relatively small problem can quickly escalate into a catastrophic failure. Direct fuel injection has introduced another layer of complexity. Unlike traditional fuel injection systems, direct injection sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber at extremely high pressure. This technology improves efficiency and performance, but it also increases thermal stress inside the engine. Carbon buildup, higher combustion temperatures, and increased demands on lubrication systems have become common concerns. Once again, engineers have achieved remarkable performance gains, but not without introducing new challenges. Then there is the issue of complexity itself. Modern engines contain far more sensors, actuators, control modules, and supporting systems than previous generations. Computers continuously monitor operating conditions and make thousands of adjustments every second. While these systems improve performance and efficiency, they also create more potential failure points. A malfunction in one system can affect several others, making diagnosis and repair increasingly complicated. Another factor often discussed by industry experts is manufacturing disruption during the pandemic years. Supply chains were strained. Factories experienced labor shortages. Parts suppliers changed. Production schedules were disrupted. While manufacturers worked hard to maintain quality, many observers believe some vehicles produced during this period may reveal reliability concerns as they accumulate mileage. The full impact may not become clear for years. Modern start-stop systems have also become controversial among enthusiasts and mechanics. These systems automatically shut off the engine at traffic lights and restart it when the driver releases the brake pedal. The goal is simple: save fuel. However, critics argue that increasing the number of engine restarts may contribute to additional wear over the long term. Whether the impact is significant remains debated, but it illustrates the lengths manufacturers are willing to go in pursuit of efficiency gains. Cylinder deactivation technology presents a similar debate. By temporarily shutting down some cylinders during light load driving, manufacturers improve fuel economy. The concept works, but it also introduces additional complexity. Engines must constantly switch between operating modes, creating changes in temperature, pressure, and vibration. While the technology has improved significantly over the years, it represents yet another example of efficiency-driven engineering compromises. Perhaps the most important point is that modern engine failures rarely result from a single issue. Instead, they often occur when multiple factors combine: higher pressures, thinner oils, tighter tolerances, increased complexity, manufacturing variations, and demanding operating conditions all interact with one another. A component that might survive indefinitely under one set of conditions may fail much sooner when exposed to several stresses simultaneously. For vehicle owners, the financial consequences can be severe. Engine replacements can cost thousands thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Even when repairs are covered under warranty, owners may face lengthy delays waiting for parts or replacement engines. During that time, vehicle payments continue, insurance costs continue, daily transportation needs remain. The frustration can be enormous. Imagine finally purchasing the truck or SUV you have wanted for years. You spend months researching, comparing models, and saving money. Eventually, you drive home in your dream vehicle, confident that it will provide reliable service for years to come. Then one day, an unusual noise appears. A warning light illuminates. The vehicle begins losing power. A visit to the dealership reveals severe internal engine damage. The repair may be covered, but the inconvenience, uncertainty, and loss of confidence remain. Stories like these have fueled growing concern throughout the automotive industry. Consumers are beginning to question whether modern engines are sacrificing durability in exchange for efficiency and performance. Mechanics are seeing more examples of complex failures. Engineers continue searching for solutions that satisfy regulators, consumers, and manufacturers simultaneously. The reality is that modern vehicles are engineering marvels. They are safer, cleaner, faster, and more efficient than anything that came before them. Yet those achievements have not come without cost. The pursuit of maximum efficiency and performance has pushed many engine designs closer to their limits. In doing so, manufacturers may have reduced the margin for error that once helped engines survive decades of hard use. As the automotive industry moves toward even stricter emission standards, greater electrification, and increasingly advanced technology, the challenge will only become more difficult. Manufacturers must find ways to maintain reliability while continuing to improve efficiency and performance. Consumers will continue demanding more from their vehicles, regulators will continue demanding lower emissions, engineers will remain caught in the middle. Ultimately, the growing concerns surrounding engine reliability are about more than recalls or warranty claims. They represent a broader question about the future of automotive engineering. Can manufacturers continue pushing technology forward without sacrificing durability? Can engines become more efficient without becoming more fragile? And can the industry deliver the reliability that consumers have come to expect while still meeting the demands of a rapidly changing world? Those questions remain unanswered. What is clear, however, is that the modern engine has become one of the most complex and demanding pieces of machinery ever placed inside a consumer vehicle. And until the balance between efficiency, performance, and durability is perfected, the debate over why modern engines are failing more than ever is likely to continue.